This has been a amazing addition to the bathroom. This is the just rainfall function without the hand piece. And all you have to do is very easily start pushing this back, and you can use both of them at the same time. Or you can just use the handheld. It pops off easy, and it has really good water pressure. It works great for washing our hair. It's me and 3 daughters, and so it has been a blessing. The water pressure on this works great for your body, not so much for your hair, but it feels amazing. I did also add a water softener piece. I don't know if that affected the pressure, but I did also take the pressure water control valve out of this, and it has been amazing increasing the water pressure.